am going to be finally putting together my Mockingbird stroller. So this stroller is a single to double Mockingbird stroller. So this is a stroller, and then the extra pieces that I have, I already took out the box. So I have the second seat kit, and then I have the Nuna car seat adapter, and then this goes with the second seat kit, and then this is like meet your second favorite special delivery. You're now part of the Mockingbird family. We're here to set up and strolling as easy as possible. For a freaking stroller? Yeah, it's cool. Cool. So we're definitely gonna keep this bad boy. This is cute. It's like a little bag for like wet clothes if there's an accident. So that's cute. I hope you guys can see me. Let me actually make sure real quick. He looks wonderful. Say hi.
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 Okay, so this is what it looks like as a single stroller, and now I'm about to make it a double, and I'll show you guys that. Okay, y'all, so I had these ones the wrong way, so I had to turn them around. So now I got it to where, like, there's actually room in between. They're not touching back to back. But this is what it looks like. I'm actually making a TikTok too, and on the TikTok, I'm going to show all the different ways it can go, which I'm... This part hangs. Give you guys a up close of it with the double. Okay, y'all, so I was not supposed to take those off. This is all a learning process, but I wasn't supposed to take these off for the car seat one. So now this one can go on that way and the other way, which I showed you guys already, but there it freaking is. Hi.
Hi.
All right, y'all, so that's it. That is the freaking Mockingbird stroller. I think that's how it goes. And then clip it on like that. So there's that. But I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to put it through these loops. I don't know. So there's that. That's the Mockingbird stroller. I did it basically all the ways it can go. But once I actually take this bad boy outside and stuff and stroll it, I'll let you guys know. But I mean, I love it. Like, I literally love it. And the oh, actually, let me show you guys this other piece.